Good afternoon, student. Today we start exercise 9.2. In this exercise, all questions are depending upon direct proportion, and you have you have to solve all the question in only one format. Okay. So I solve here some important question or some difficult question that may you face problem here. So question number 7 to question number 7. Question number 7 say that aircraft flies 2,700 kilometer in 3 hours. What will it what will what distance will it travel in 7 whole 1 by 2 hours? Here we have to find distance. Time is given to us. As time increases, aircraft uh, travel more distance. Okay, so this is a case of direct proportion. Now let's see how I solve this question. So first of all, I change this mixed fraction into improper fraction so that our calculation may become easier. So if this is the case of direct proportion, you have to write, and then you make this table: direct distance covered, the time taken in hour, and distance covered in kilometer. So here is 2700 by 3x by 15 by 2. So 2700 by 3 equals to x into 2 by 15. So here 2700 into 15, here 3 and 2 comes downside. When we cut it by table of 3, 15 by table of 1, 1350. Then we have to multiply, we get 6750. So at the last side, thus we have tried that thus aircraft travel 6750 km in 7 whole 1 by 2 hours. Now look question number 10. Question number 10 say that since all the question is based on direct proportion, so there is no any problem, I think. But with my uh, with my opinion, with my thinking, I solve some difficult question. Okay, so here 10 number a 250 liter tank empties in 2 hours and 30 minutes. You look 2 hours and 30 minutes. Okay, so we have to change this into hour only. Okay, now so we change it later. Due to the leakage, how long will it take for 9 by 10 of the tank to drain? 9 by 10 of tank means 9 by 10 of 250. Okay, so now we are discussing question number 10. Here time in 2 hours 30 minutes, we have to write, change this in hour only, and we have to find for how long it will take to empty the tank 9 by 10th of the tank. Okay, how long it takes to empty 9 by 10th of the tank. So when the amount of water decreases, then hour also decreases. So this is the case of direct proportion. So look how to solve this question. First of all, we get the value is 9 by 10 of 250 liter, that is 9 by 10, and it will become 225 liter. Okay, now I change 2 hour 30 minutes into hour. So how I change 2 hour plus half hour, because 30 minutes is half hour. Then I can write 2 whole 1 by 2 hour equals to 5 by 2 hour. We can add directly like this. Okay, now in addition. Now it is a case of direct proportion. We have tried. Now volume of liquid drain in liter and time taken in hour. 250 5 by 2 225 by x. 250 into 2 by 5 equals to 250 225 by x. X equals to 225 into 5 by 250 into 2. When we cut it by table of 25, I cut 25 nanja. How I know? Because here when I multiply here, when I 0 cut down, and 25 nanja 225, that's why I cut here 25 nanja 225, and here 25 tanja 250. So here again 5 1 ja 5 2 ja, how much we get? 9 by 4. Now when we divide it, when we change in the what you call in mixed fraction, we get 2 hour and 1 by 4, 2 whole 1 by 4 hour. So x equals to 2 hour plus 1 by 4 hour, you can write it. Now 2 hour plus 1 by 4 into 60 minutes. I change 1 by 4 hour into minutes because hour is, you cannot write hour in fraction. So when I get here, when you cut down the 15, 2 hour plus 15 minutes equals 2 hour 15 minutes. Thus it will take 2 hour 15 minutes for 9 by 10 of time to train. So this is the solution of question number 10. Now question number 12. Here question number 12, read the question number 12. 75 pen cost rupees 637 and 50 paise. Find the price of 23 pens. We have to find the price of 23 pens. This is the first part of question. How many pen can be bought for rupees 800? That second part. And how much money will be left? Third part. So this question considers 3 parts. So we solve part by part. For first part, I think you understand the question. Question is very simple. Cost of 75 pens is given to us rupees 637 and 50 paise. We have to find the cost of 73 pens. So this is the case of direct proportion. When the cost of pen, number of pen decreases, the cost also decreases. Look how to solve the question number 12. So here in the case of direct proportion, first of all we have to write, because then we use this equation. Number of pen, cost of pen 75, number of pen 75, then cost is how much? 637.50 paise. 23 pen, then x. Then we have to write this like this: x equals 23 into 637.50 and by 7.75. Then I cut it the table of 15, 5 is 75, 15 4 is 60, 15 2 is 30, and then 15 5 is 75. Then this 0 becomes 0. Then again 5 1 ja, and it becomes 850. Then I cut by 50. Now when we cut it, how much we get? 1955 by 10, and we get 195.5. Then I add 0 because paise, paise, okay, not 5, that's why I give 50. The price of 23 pen is 195.50. You can see it. For 75 pen it is 637.50, and for 23 pens 195.50 pence. Now second part of question asks that how many pen will you bought for rupees 800. So I write here number of pen is 75, cost is 6,637.50 paise, x is, and cost is 800. Okay, so I write here, when I solve I get 94.1. So number of pen, so number of pen cannot be in decimal form, so number of pen bought for 800 is rupees 94. Okay, we find the second part of the question, we solve the second part of the question. Third part is that how much money is left. For this case we have to know the how much cost, how much the cost of pen, 94, how much the cost of 94 pens. So number of pens and number of cost of pens I write here like this, and then again I put the formula of direct proportion, and then I find the x. How much I find the x? 799. Okay, you have to cut it. How I cut it? By table of 15, 5 times 4250. Okay, and this point decimal goes here 100, 10, and 10 cut it. Then here 5 1 0, here 250, then this 10 cancel here. Then I cut like this, here 47, here 2 and 2 1 0, here I cut. It become, sorry, by table of 5 2 0, and here 12, like this I cut it all the. Then I get 799. Then money left is 800 minus 799, that is rupees 1. So this is the final answer of the question number 12. Rest all the questions do by yourself, your homework, and tomorrow we have dot class at 8:15. Okay, 9:15, sorry, 9:15 to 9:45. That's all for today. Thank you.